If you're getting an internet error in CapCut and you can't download transitions, effects, or templates, don't worry. You're not alone. You probably watched a lot of tutorials on YouTube, but none of them really helped. You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple and effective solution that works. The fix is very easy, using a VPN. Personally, I recommend Proton VPN because it offers 10 premium locations for free with no data limit, and it works perfectly with CapCut. Just follow the steps in this video, and you'll be able to download all CapCut features again, fast and without errors. Let's get started. Click to get Proton VPN. Now, create an account. At the bottom right, click Sign up for free. Choose Continue with Free VPN. For this tutorial, I'll use a temporary email. You can use your real email if you want. Copy the email address. Paste it here. Click Start. Wait a few seconds. Save the password in Notepad so you don't forget it later. Click Continue. Now click Download. Select Download for Windows. Choose Windows 11 or Windows 10 64-bit. Let's verify the email. Click Verify with Email. Refresh your inbox. Click Verify Email Address. Now sign in again. As you can see, the free subscription gives you 10 countries and 1 device. Let's install the VPN. Choose your language. Next, uncheck all other services. We only need the VPN. Click Install. Now, sign in to the app using your account details. Click Get Started. Click Connect. We are now connected from the Netherlands. Let's open CapCut and check if the error is fixed. As you can see, I can download everything now. The error is gone. Thanks for watching.